Nice little camping trip at Kouri or Kouri Island, and sort of northern western Okinawa here. But yeah, it's a nice private spot. I can see the ocean out there. You guys can't see it, but it's about a half mile away. Getting sunset here. We're just getting things set up. We always want to put a fireproof mat on the ground first so we don't destroy any of the environment. So this is called a takibi mat. It's fire retardant material, kind of the same stuff a fireman's suit is made out of. I really like it. Get us the fire going, do some cooking. Okay, this thing right here is called a senbei press. It's like a Japanese, sort of like a biscuit, like a European biscuit, crunchy, you know, there's just dough right there. It's kind of flour water and you put some other stuff in it, but like nuts or sesame seeds. But anyway, it's famous Japan sort of snack. We're gonna make a nabe soup, and we're gonna put the senbei in it. But yeah, this is just a just an iron, black iron press right here. This is famous. It's called Nambuteki from Hachinohe, which is near where my wife's actually from, up in northern Japan. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. It's got to be super hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fire now and just get it. We just want to get it like super hot. Okay, I let the coals die down. Next up's gonna be my little Coleman smoker here. This thing has made some epic smoked foods. So I got some, this is charcoal actually. We're gonna put this in here in the bowl. Get some of this going in there, get some heat going in there. And we got some salmon we're gonna throw in here. Oops. We don't want it to be super hot in here. It's just you know, for smoking fish. We're not trying to get it hundreds and hundreds of degrees in here. Just a nice little small bed of coals. That might be a little bit more, and we'll call that good. That's good enough. So now we'll go ahead and put the grill in. It just fits in like that. We'll just let it warm up. We'll get some more firewood going here. Yeah, this thing, we'll give it a few minutes. I have some apple wood chips here, so we're gonna soak these in water for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw them down there in the bowl. Actually, let me give it some breathing room here. We'll throw it in there, and this will give us a nice smoke flavor that we're looking for the salmon. All right, I think we're ready for put the salmon in here. Oh, this thing just is amazing. Look at that. It just produces so much smoke with just a little bit of wood. I really enjoy this. Okay, now the smoke is ready. We're gonna do some smoked salmon, some scallops from Hokkaido right here, and some smoked cheese. And a lot of people never maybe heard of it, but I love smoked olives. It's really good. So we're gonna go for it here. We're gonna make some mushroom rice with a special sauce in it. This is gonna be super awesome. And I'm gonna use my little micro salto burner to cook it. We got our wood chips right here that's been soaking. Go ahead and put some of these in there. Get some smoke going. Yeah, I just soak it in water so the wood chips just smoke and not just catch on fire and burn up. It just slows it down and they smoke really nice and slow. Good morning, everybody. It is officially coffee time. Favorite times, waking up in the woods, outdoors at daylight. I like to use the flannel filters because they don't absorb the oils in the coffee, and it always makes it taste really, really good. Alright, everybody, y'all know how I like to do it. Happy morning to you. First sip out here, daylight. It's kind of cold this morning. It's just perfect, slight breeze. So nothing like some fresh coffee outdoors. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. That is just amazing.